welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing today? Man, today is a beautiful day right now, and I got some new stuff to make the AMG look pretty used, but I got a still on it. Got some carbon pieces, as you could probably see in the thumbnail. So yeah, right now I'm on my way to the Pop's house, you know, so we can get everything installed. Also, I hit up Anthony with RaceIQ, and we got a new tune to throw in today, so stay tuned for that, you guys. But it looks like we're gonna be going E85. So yeah, so we're about to hop on the freeway, get to Pop's, and let's try to get this stuff installed before we run out of sunlight. So let's do this. Oh yeah, and no more Pops. I can't stand how slow the downshifts are, but here, I'll get onto it on the freeway right now so you guys can hear. First pull of the day, man. Feels good. Oh, she's nasty. Didn't expect that. We spun the whole on-ramp. Yeah, but no, so let's see what this E85 is all about and the new face look, or facelift, I should say. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get into it, and I will see you guys at the Pop's house. Woo! All right, just got to the Pop's house. Gonna get this car going, but let me show you what we have in store today. Shoo! Okay. So it looks like we got the carbon wing, carbon mirrors, and the carbon front lip. I did get them used. They're not in the best condition, but they were a hell of a lot cheaper than brand new. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start getting this installed. I got the AMG up on some ramps, so we got some room to get the lip on. And then back here, we're gonna be removing the stock spoiler. So we'll get that off. And then the mirror caps, I believe they just get 3M'd on. So we're just gonna actually just glue those on over this, tape them on over this. So yeah, and then like I said, we're gonna be throwing a new tune in at the very end of this, so stay tuned. So let's do this. All right, and this is how we're removing it. We're using string basically with some Windex glass cleaner, and that's it, just to get the glue off. And let's see how it comes off. Let's see. Woo, like butter, like butter. So we'll clean this up, get it ready, and stick the new one on. That fast, that simple. You guys can do that at home. After removing the stock wing, it left a residue, and I don't have the stuff to take it off, so I'm not able to put on the carbon wing right now. I did get the lip on and the mirrors, so but it's dark, and so you're not really going to be able to get to see it. So I'll show you guys that later on in the video. Right now, I'm going to download the tune, go to the gas station, and pump up the E85 and see how that goes. And tomorrow, which will be the same video for you guys, I will have the wing get installed. I just got to clean up that glue in the back before I mount the new one on. Shoo! Just pulled up at Platinum with the boy Rene. Oh, look at this guy jocking me right here. What is up with that? Shoo! Well, you guys can finally see it with the front lip.
Cover the Armenian flag.
There it is with the front lips. Oh, 2 CLS's. Oh, shoot, we got Rene posing. Shoo! Damn it! Here we go, here we go. Rene putting in the work. Oh, are you even trying?
No.
Dang it. Woo! Technical difficulties. That shit just flings off. Yeah, and just like that, Rene took care of it. Made it hella presentable. Now we're about to go home and slap this wing on. All right, Rene. About to cut out of here. I appreciate all your help, man.
Come get some wraps done.
Oh, there it is. He got the plug on the wraps. Heck yeah. All right then. I'll see you guys at the house. All right, just like that, here at the Pop's house, gonna go ahead and clean the surface off now, and get ready to put the 3M or double-sided tape, whichever you want to call it. And yeah, so this thing has a messed up valve on it, so it sprays all crazy. So we're just gonna dry that up, get any oils or debris off of that. Okay. Okay. I did have some of the top part, but I didn't even mess with getting this out because it's going to get covered anyways. And then when I pull it off to do a wrap on the car, then I'll deal with that if anybody's asking. So yeah, I was being lazy. Okay, so it's hard to do this with one hand, but I'm going to go ahead and test fit the new wing just to get an idea of what it's going to look like and where it's going to be positioned at. But let's see. Roughly right there. Oh my god. Oh shit. You guys ready to see this? I don't think y'all ready. Ooh, check that out. Oh man. Now I look like I'm in Europe or something, or Germany. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? What do you guys think about that? That shit's saucy. Yeah, I love it. That's what it needed. It needed that to help fly. Okay, and just like that, we got the tape put on with the other part taken off. So all I gotta do is flip this around and stick it. So let's see what it looks like. Shoo! It's gonna look crazy. Okay, it's on. I'm excited. Oh my god! And just gotta clean it off. But here it is. So fitment is A1. Use this shitty ass spray, but there it is. She's on. Let me dry this up real quick. Get all them fingerprints off. There it is. So now we get a farther away view. You see the wing with the lip now. That's her. Looking good. Whew. Whose car is this? And you get the carbon mirror caps. They look good. The car is so dirty though, it needs a bath. She needs a bath. Okay, so I know you guys are being super patient. I know you guys want to know about the tune. What's going on with the tune? What's going on with the E85? I have already installed the tune and put the E85 in it, okay? But I haven't driven it hard yet, so you guys can get my reaction. So I know, like I said, this is 2 days for me on this video. So yeah, last night I went ahead and did the tune and drove it home, and then today I just got off work and was able to finish up the carbon and go ahead and show you guys how this tune is. So far though, it's shifting pretty good, and it feels very smooth and it's very peppy. Again, I haven't really gotten on it yet, so I'm pretty excited to see what it's gonna do. So why don't we go ahead and do that right now? Shoo! That's how she sounds tuned, and oh my gosh, sounds crazy. I do miss the pops, but the pops is just extremely crazy. So I have it set to where if I want to go to a car meet and I want to do the pops and bangs, I can upload that real quick thanks to RaceIQ. Anthony over there hooked it up, and so yeah, I'm able to switch back and forth between tunes. Obviously right now I'm on E85, so if I were to switch back, I'd have to not have E85 in my system. But other than that, you know, I can prepare for that if I want to do the pops and bangs and stuff. You know, it's really fun to have those, but on every day they're really difficult. So yeah, well, let's get into this race car, this cockpit right here. Shoo! I'm gonna turn this radio off. I put it in AMG mode. Let's go. Traction control off. All right. Let's see what this E85 is all about. And hopefully the wing doesn't fly off, but overall sounds really aggressive right now. Let's get out on the main road. What do you do if you hear this rolling through your neighborhood? It's like, what is that? I'm telling you, the video cannot do justice the way this really sounds. Like, you have to be in a different car driving from behind to hear all the crazy noises this thing's making. But it sounds so good. Like, the best sounding V8 straight pipe that I've ever had. And I've had a handful. I've had, you know, Ford platform, Chevy platform, BMW's platform, you know, Audi platform. Like, I've had lots and lots of V8s, you know, Dodge, you know, so this gotta be my favorite by far. But it's, oh my God, it's peppy. I don't want to be too loud as people walking their kids in this neighborhood right now, but jet. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right, ready? You guys ready? Let me see. Okay, let's go. Woo! Smart. God, that thing's flying. Oh my God. It just got all over the road right now. Sheesh. I'm gonna need to get some tires. God, E85 woke it up. Oh, Jesus. Oh my, I'm out of words right now. This thing's insane. RaceIQ never fails to amaze, you know? It's just like, oh, oh. Shit. You gotta be careful. This thing is, the back end is just all over the place right here. Oh my God, too much torque, baby. Too much torque. Yeah, I gotta say that. This is pretty crazy, but let's see what you can see from right here. Let's see. Let's see. Woo! Oh! All right, we gotta take it easy. A little fast for these roads. I gotta get on the freeway and see what this really can do. But definitely recommend this to anybody with an AMG. Tune it. I don't care if you're in the M113K platform, tune it. I'm in the M157 right now, tune it. You need to tune it. It's amazing. Go through RaceIQ and get yourself a tune and enjoy it. It's too fun. I recommend it to anybody and everybody that has an AMG. And if you don't have an AMG, go get you one. They're not the most expensive car in the world. It's definitely not the cheapest, but it's definitely something that'll keep you smiling from ear to ear. I've had countless cars, I'm telling you right now. The AMG is the car that has always kept me grinning with excitement. Like, it just freak out when I get behind the wheel in this thing, you know? Feel like I'm James Bond, even though he doesn't even drive Benz, but still, feel like a boss. Yeah, you're just like a monster rolling around in a big body. You know, everybody got them Chargers and stuff, and Camaros, Mustangs. I'm getting a back massage while I'm talking to you guys right now. It doesn't get much better than that. It's just, oh, do you hear that sound? God. Woo! Jeez! Oh my goodness. All right, let's get on the freeway. taking it easy. Alright. A lot of traffic, so I don't know how much we can do, but it's just... Shoot! Alright, 60 right now. Oh, shit! Okay, to be completely honest, it's really hard to enjoy all that power because it just keeps spinning. It spins like crazy. So that means your boy needs tires. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get some tires because if I'm spinning at 80 miles an hour on the freeway, yeah, we need some tires. But overall, I'm very, very happy with the way it turned out. It's running great. There's no check engine light. You know, I have no complaints. Very happy. So this is gonna do it for this video. I appreciate you guys, you know, staying along and watching. I really do. I appreciate all the support. You know, please like, comment, you know, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. You know, and if you are subscribed, please share it. You know, I'm gonna have a lot more content with this. I am gonna be doing more stuff with the bike. You know, I don't know how many of you are on here that follow me on the bike, but yeah, gonna be doing some more bike stuff, and there is some stuff coming up, like I said in past videos, with B's F10. Don't sleep on it. There's gonna be some dope stuff. So thank you guys again. I really appreciate you guys, really do. I love the comments. I try to respond to every single one I can. So yeah, please drop me a comment. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. I don't mind. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Yoo!